So good morning guys, and today happy Sunday. It's been a while para mag nindot ng less frequent atong drives because daghan na nahitabo for the past few days. Of course diri giheld ang palaro, and the overall champion was NCR. And I guess in general nangutan ako sa taxi drivers bag musta man ang palaro nila. Hindi ko mas like nakatabang sa nila yun ang pasahero, nakakuha sila mga pasahero sa palarong pambansa. I don't know really, di ba take measure of economic impact ba, but basta na yung mga national events or big events, I think it's helpful gina sa local businesses like yung mga pagkaon, even our taxis, di ba? Ano yung nakanindot na mag-organize kita pero mga events ba, kahit pa paano it can help, although na ginay gasto on the government side, pero na ginay economic benefits, diba? Mall traffic is better, maragyan ba? More puno ang barko, aeroplano, diba? And somehow na yung mga parents na nanaw sa national palarong pambansa. Congrats to all gold medalists and even to all participants. And by the way, open na rin balik kanina junction. It's open, so mas dali na going to the city din at Tuyok. But of course, nasa na bottleneck ko sa high diri sa Pika side. But anyway, this is a Sunday drive, so medyo luag lang ta. Pero muna akong ingon na to na a lot of things happens since our last drive. So our VP Sara Duterte is now dili na siya Secretary of Education. Si former Senator Angara na kay yan na magbitawan sa ang Senate kay mahimo na siyang Education Secretary. Interesting choice, di ba? I think mga Angara, even before, I think officials muna sila ni Marcos, di ba? But they managed to become like mga public officials sila, mga public servants, di ba? Sometimes mga ang politics, there's politics, but there's also anong pagkuhan sa government, to join the government. Kuhaan sa that's something good, something meaningful and good na sa ka-family na mo-serve mo sa gobyerno, diba? I'm pretty sure most of us have family members na ni-serve sa government, not only in elected positions but also they has mga sa departments, diba? Department of Education. I think I have a grandfather was an assistant secretary way back. Dugay na tayo. But yeah, he used to serve the government. Kaya educator gito akong lulo, diba? Educator gito akong lulo sa kuwanto. So deserve gito siya sa gobyerno sa public school teachers in a way. Kasi trabaho sila sa MEX or Ministry of Education pa na sa una. So wala another one, and again there's one boto na there's a war against Pogo or illegal Pogo. Si Alice Go pa ni kuan, I mean pa na human na issue. So wala mga yung pag-usapan karon. And in the world of sports, nagansad padung na Olympics, the Philippine basketball team or the Gilas failed to land a spot in the Olympics, but they made a good account of themselves sa qualifiers. And isa pa, well, the PBL season has started. I think PBA draft bago lang nahuman. So si Justin Baltazar ang number 1 pick, then si Cedric Berrefield, and there are a lot of trades na sad. I don't know mo nang usahay ang PBA. Naghan kay mga reklamador na fans ba, but oh well, mga nahitabo ron na. And I think mura mag-wonder mata ba ngano wala kayo running Wayne ang interest sa PBA. I think another factor, diba? PBA is in for PBA or basketball is entertainment. I think there's so many options now for entertainment. I think sobra pagali, sobra na kayong mga options na di lang PBA lang tanawan, because you watch a PBA game, it's like you spend 2 hours of your time let's say 3 hours kung yung manon yung double header, and that's pretty much same time that you can use for Netflix, same time that you can use for daghan na legal line, daghan na games line, or even your phone. You know, malingaw na maybe sa scatter, o may pa mag-scatter na lang, o di ba mo ban ingana ban, and o di ba mo na ikuan ana mga tingin ay rason. I think one major downfall na ng mga basketball games, while there may be fanatics, di na na enough, daghan sobra ka fanatic na ba, daghan na kay line options lagi na nabuang sa sugal, na nabuang ng sabong, na nabuang sa online casino, di ba mga scatter kuyaw sad na baya, although dasa na dagkong daog pero tapo ikuan hapon, in the end you're just playing with odds, and sometimes you waste time, and then in the end break even ra ka, or napildi paganit ka, worse. Oh well, another big thing that nahitabo last week was Trump going. There was an assassination attempt on Donald Trump. Can you imagine that? Diba? I don't know what's happening with America. Assassinate sa president. I'm not saying, I don't know, some people are saying nag-stage, but I don't think nag-stage siya din, mamatay na mga tao, ano yun, or naglagot na gina Islam Trump, na nga dumadaog ni siya, we don't know, I mean, but still scary stuff. A lot of, kung ako'y Trump, but there's so many sectors are against me, but fight yapon siya. Iman ka sa kasuhan na siya maayo. I don't know why they hate Trump so much. Although yeah, I don't know, but nasa, of course, lain na siya ba usahay pa. He makes, you know, crazy statements to trigger people. Kasi daga na kayo matrigger ang panahon na that's a fact. And then, you know, of course, bitter pa na election because America's really divided. Masa na yung problema dahil sa two-party system. No? Two-party system is nice. Ideally, nice ang two-party system because ang winner ninyo really is the voice of the people, majority, more than 50% typically, ha. Problema sa ato sa Pilipinas, diba, there's a winner, but the winner is just supported by, let's say, 30%, and 70% did not vote for the winner. Sample na ba? And that's kuan mo nang daghan gyapon opposition, daghan gyapon lima kang gidaog ka, more than half is supak nimo. Diba, we already have popular presidents like Duterte tingali na daghan gyud that was overwhelming, but still mana ba more gyapon than half didn't vote for the person. So mo na kaning ang Marcos community, I don't know, in the end, diba, naghihapon, especially now that ilang alliance ni koan. So man ay crazy ana, nindot lagi ng two party lang ta. Unfortunately sa America, grabe ka opposite sa dang duha ka party, and then it's like dividing the country. It's like a civil war type na north and south ba na, yes to slavery, no to slavery. Ingana philosophically lahi gid sila. It's like there are two Americas. Anang Amerika sa syudad, liberal kaayo na sige sa kunsa na lang, mo diba na mura pag anti-war, pro-gay, o diba, so kung sa idawat sa liberal, ha, na come to think of it, yeah, sometimes support kita sila sa mga Muslims, but they didn't know that Muslims are really conservative. but it's a very interesting mix. Di mga naibayot, na Muslim, na ikuan, suppose di na magsagol, ha. I mean, sige dito, the right term is LGBTQ. Then there's also the Muslims. Technically, they won't mix, diba? Where asam ka Muslim country na ma-accept of one, and there's another group na kanang about how to distinguish unsay woman. They can't define anymore. It's so fluid that, you know, anybody can be a woman. Even let's say a guy, macho gyud kuan gyud, athlete na laki, nan moingon siya woman ka, and they want that guy to join, they will allow a guy joining women's sports, diba? And reaping all the records, the wins and stuff. So, pag interesting kayo, liberal, yeah, because you accept. Oh, diba? Liberal, mga konserbatibo ka, you're stiff. But yeah, there's another side sa Amerika na konserbatibo. Oh, diba? Reserve values, of course. What's the American value, diba? Na American sila. Oh, so in the end, mura sila racist, of course, kaya American good. Sarado ang itong border, diba? Mura ba? Americans. So, diba? Ang sa acceptad immigrant, isag million ang immigrants. In a way, diba? Why control? That's also another interesting thing, diba? So mo na ba, lingaw ng ila, then in the end mo na, heated kayo lang election because very polarizing yung mga kandidato. We have on one hand, there's Trump, former president, na kuhaan kayo, grabe sa idea, grabe sa baba, o, diba? He has, but they're pro-business policies, but lagi in the end, the values that he might represent is not the right values for many people. And there's Biden, of course, medyo moderate na siya gamay, pero still he's now the face also of liberal ideas, progressive ideas, but makasanay tiguang na siya na naagi, makakita gyud ka na naay, of course, effects of aging. So marapag namin effects of aging, so that hopefully marapag, I don't know, maubagya po na yung match up karon or Biden will give way. Let's see what happens. So interesting times ahead. So I'm entering Mandawi City na, so ato na ko, but I'm glad to see you again. So let me know sa mga interesting things na itabo sa inyong kalibutan while we were doing drives for a while. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you na sa sunod drive, lag-lag, buwan pa. Bye.